So bitches, my name's Jordan and this is my bike check. Where do we start? Front. Alright, we're going front to back. Starting with the grips. These are Shadow Conspiracy grips. My bars. Sobrosa grips. The brakes I have, or at least the brake lever, I have the Rant spring lever. And for my stem, I got the Sobrosa. Oh, the best part, my headset, Rant. Bang, you're sealed. Wait, there's more. Where do I start now? Oh, the hub. No. The hub guard. I have the Rant POGs. The hub. Rant party ons. And the tires. I got the Shadow Conspiracy Valors. Like, they're grippy as fuck. I recommend it. My frame. Oh, shit. The forks. What the fuck are these? We'll just say the Sobrosa Letos. Now my frame. The most important part of my bike. If you whip a 4-star, you can have it. Alright, this is my Sobrosa Letum frame. Oh. Where should we go now? The seat post. I have the Sobrosa. What should we call it? The Sobrosa. We'll say pivotal, even though it's not. I have the Shadow Conspiracy seat clip. Does a lot for me. Keeps my seat tall. Not really tall. Medium. Oh, my seat. I have the City of Sobrosa seat. It looks dope. Oh yeah, my pegs. I have 4 hammer pegs. All 4. Alright, my back wheel. I have the... Oh shit. Rant Moonwalker Free Coaster. Oh yeah, check out this lit chain. It's blue, in case you didn't notice. It's probably Rant. Yeah, it is Rant. Oh, my sprocket. It's the Shred Sprocket by Sobrosa. I got some Rad Rant pedals. Oh, with some fire banging cranks. What else? Another Shadow Valor tire in the back. And that's my bike check. Oh yeah, and if you bar spin, a 6 stair.